As a mom, you work hard every day, but it feels like no matter how hard you try, you're stuck in the same financial struggle. You love your family, but you can't help but wonder, is this really all life has to offer? Well, the truth is, it doesn't have to be this way. The Legacy Builders program teaches you how to create wealth on your terms. It gives you the tools to build an online business that works for you, so you can work from home, be with your kids, and still earn income you deserve. By taking action now, you'll gain the financial independence and time freedom that will allow you to create the life you always dreamed of. No more guilt, no more financial stress, just pure freedom. If you're done with struggling and ready to make that change, comment me. This opportunity won't last forever. Take action today and start your journey towards financial and time freedom.